players kahapon ang kanilang cheer dance at Pilates instructor. Today kaya, sino-sino ang kanilang haharapin? Panoorin natin!
Hi girls! Hello! How are you doing today? Am I in the right room? Or am I in the wrong room? Am I in the right room? That's true. I really love this, bonding with girls. I mean, especially with girls.
Wow! Naiyak yan! Seryoso naman?
Hindi nga pala ako for the striptease class. Striptease. Striptease calls and requires you to be sexy. How do you feel sexy without talking? Parang naliligo sa batis. Parang masakit lang lalamunan. How do you feel sexy? Okay, stand up! Now, do something subtle flirting, like ka lang ganyan. Kung hindi ka sure na maganda ka, takpan mo yung mukha mo ganyan, para maganda ka talaga, para may mystery. Yan ang tawag dyan, mystery. Feeling mo hindi ka nakapag-chan ako, kung feeling mo ang puti-puti ng kilikili mo that night, pwede kang gumanon, pero hindi ang ganda mo. Dahil okay? That's customly. Okay? Do it! Wow! Palakpakan niyo ang mga sarili niyo. Mukhang magaling kayo dito. Hello girls, welcome to your PE class. Ang tuturo ko sa inyo ay ang basic exercise with a twist. This is what I call my arm, my knees, my shoulder, my head. And you? I love it. Okay. This is like sweet waves. Like, my knee. My shoulder. I mean, I counted ha kasi nasolve na yun! May power! Iwanan ko muna kayo. Okay? I'll see. Wakapan ko na nanin!
Okay na kami! She's delicious with 10 key last points. Bukas, sinong teammate ang gugunong sa katatawa? Abangan.
Sige, Rai. Oo.